The opener's job is to describe the hand, whereas the responder's job is to decide how high, meaning do you want to play in part score? That's our stop. Do we want to play in partially game, or do we want to play in game? And the second question that responder has to answer is where. Do we want to play in no trump, or do we want to play in a suit contract? So to answer these questions, sometimes responder can do it right away. Like when opener starts with 1 no trump, very descriptive bid, right? 15, 16, 17 total points and a balanced shape hand. And responder can look at their hand and usually answer how high and where to play. But when opener starts with one of a suit, right? That is a wide range. One of a suit is 13 to 21 points by opener. And one of a suit could be a balanced hand, could be a really crazy distributional hand, or something in between. So the distribution is all over the place. Let's write a squiggly line, all over the place. So responder doesn't have the information in the first round of the bidding like they do when opener starts with 1 no trump. So oftentimes responder needs to collect more information and say, hey, opener, tell me a little more about your range. Are you in the 13 to 16 point range? Are you in the 17 to 18 point range? Are you in the 19 to 21 point range? And those ranges we're going to look at all class long in the openers rebid class. So I'm just giving you a little preview of our next class together. And on that rebid, opener says what range they are, and opener says what shape they are. So by the time that the opener rebids, meaning they've bid the second time, they've opened a bidding and now they've taken a second bid, the responder can oftentimes now answer the questions of how high or where.